Imagine this. You're 30 years old, sipping coffee on your private balcony, overlooking a city skyline. You own a piece of all because you cracked the code to wealth, while everyone else was scrolling TikTok, chasing trends. Sound impossible? It's not. Welcome to Stock Market for Beginners, your step-by-step guide to turning pennies into power. Today, I'm handing you the keys to a wealthy lifestyle if you stick with me. Because here's the scary truth. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, terrified of the next market crash. But not you. Not after this video. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand. Why? The stock market matters. It's not just numbers on a screen, it's your ticket to financial freedom. Every dollar you invest today could grow into hundreds, even thousands while you sleep. Think about that. Money working harder than you ever will. But here's the kicker. Ignore it, and you're handing your future to inflation and regret. Ready to take control? Good. Let's move fast, because time's already ticking. Wait, did you just think, stocks? Isn't that for old guys in suits? Nope. It's for you, right now. Step 2. Let's demystify this beast. The stock market is like a massive auction house, where companies sell tiny pieces of themselves called shares to people like us. When you buy a share, you own part of that company. Imagine owning a slice of Apple or Tesla. Pretty cool, right? But here's where it gets wild. When those companies win, you win. Their profits become your profits. Exciting, huh? But hold up. There's a flip side. If they tank, so does your money. That fear keeps most people on the sidelines, broke and bitter. Not us. We're smarter than that. So how do you play this game without losing your shirt? Stick around, because the next step's a game changer, and I'm not telling you yet. Step 3. How do you actually get in the game? First, you need a brokerage account. Think of it as your VIP pass to the stock market. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webull make it dead simple. Download one, link your bank, and you're in. Takes 10 minutes. Next, start small. $50, $100, whatever you've got. The key? Consistency. Every dollar you toss in is a soldier fighting for your future. But here's the urgency. The longer you wait, the more you lose to compound interest, aka the eighth wonder of the world. A $100 investment at 25 could be $1,000 by 50. Wait till 35? You're lucky to hit $500. Scared yet? You should be. Let's keep moving, because the how is just the start. Quick question. Would you rather buy one stock or a whole pizza? Trick question. You're getting both in a sec. Step 4. What do you buy? 2 paths here. Path 1. Pick individual stocks. Research companies you believe in. Tesla's innovating. Amazon's dominating. Buy their shares and ride the wave. It's thrilling, like betting on a winning horse. But risky. One bad move and poof, your cash is gone. Path 2. Play it safe with ETFs, baskets of stocks like the S&P 500. It's like buying the whole pizza instead of one slice. Less sexy, but way less stress. Which is right for you? Depends on your guts and goals. Mix both? Even better. But here's the cliffhanger. What happens when the market crashes? And it will. Stay tuned, because that's where the real money's made. Step 5. Timing. Here's the secret Wall Street hates. You don't need perfect timing, just time in the market. Buy, hold, and wait. The average stock market return? 10% a year. That's your wealth doubling every 7 years. But fear trips people up. They panic sell when prices dip. Don't. Be patient. Those dips? They're sales. Buy more. Think investing's boring? Tell that to the guy who turned $5,000 into $5 million with patience. Still with me? Good, because the best part's next. Welcome to the finale, Step 6, Managing Risk. The market will crash someday. It's not if, it's when. But here's the exciting twist. Crashes are where millionaires are born. How? Diversify, spread your money across stocks, ETFs, even bonds. Don't bet it all on one horse. Next, set a budget, only invest what you can lose. And finally, learn. Read, watch, grow. Knowledge is your armor. Picture this. While others panic, you're calm, buying low, winning big. That's power. That's wealth. But one question remains. Are you ready to act, or will you let fear steal your future? Let's wrap this up. Step 7. Your first move. Open that brokerage account today. Put in $20, buy a share. Start. Why? Because every second you delay, someone else is building the life you want. You're 18, 25, 30. This is your moment. The stock market isn't a gamble. It's a ladder to the top, and you're already on the first rung. Feel that urgency? Good. Take it and run. And hey, want to protect your wealth from the next crash? Tap that end screen right now for my video. Trump's market crash. Protect your wealth now. It's your shield against the storm. Hit subscribe, ring the bell, and let's build your empire together.